Next VSQ. Integral of root over 1 minus cos 2x dx. We have the trigonometric formula, that is one minus cos 2x is equal to 1 minus cos 2x is equal to 2 sin square x. Apply this formula. Apply this formula here. That implies integral of 1 minus cos 2x formula is 2 sin square x. That implies root over 2 sin square x. This dx is taken as this. Square and root is cancelled for sin x function only. So root 2 is take it as this. I repeat one more time. Square and root is cancelled for sin x function only. So root 2 is take it as this. Square and root cancel for sin x. So remaining sin x dx. This root 2 is a constant. This root 2 is a constant. Again, this is take it out. Root 2 sin x dx. Integral of sin x dx. We have the formula. What is the integral of sin x dx? Integral of sin x dx is equal to, this is minus cos x plus. Apply this formula here. That implies root 2 into integral of sin x dx is minus cos x. Minus cos x. After the integration we are adding integral constant plus. Okay. That implies minus is take out root 2 cos x plus c is the answer for this problem. Next problem. Integral of 1 by 1 plus cos x dx. In this problem we take the rationalization. What is the rationalization? Rationalization means multiply and divide with denominator term. Here we have a plus, so we take with minus 1 minus cos x by 1 minus cos x. Multiply and divide with 1 minus cos x by 1 minus cos x into dx as it is. This is by rationalization. By rationalization. That implies integral of numerator is 1 into 1 minus cos x. 1 into 1 minus cos x is 1 minus cos x. 1 minus cos x all divided by denominator is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. A plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. Already we know that. Apply this formula. A square minus b square. A square is 1 square. 1 square is 1 minus b square is b is cos x here. So cos square x dx. 1 minus cos square x dx. We have the trigonometric identity. That is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Sin square theta is equal to, this cos square theta is taken side, that is 1 minus cos square theta. 1 minus cos square theta. So 1 minus cos square x can be written as sin square x. Apply that formula here. That implies integral of 1 minus cos x by denominator 1 minus cos square x. 1 minus cos square x can be written as sin square x dx. Now take the splitting. That is integral of 1 by sin square x. Integrating to each function separately and take it directly. Integral of 1 by sin square x dx minus cos x by sin square x. Cos x by sin square x dx, integrating to each function separately. Okay. Integral of 1 by sin square x. This sin square x is taken to numerator becomes cosecant square x. Integral of cosecant square x dx minus, listen here carefully, integral of cos x by sin square x dx. Cos x by sin square x. Cos x by sin x is can be written as cos by sin is cot x. Cos by sin is cot x. Here remaining one more sin x. The sin x is taken to numerator, cosecant x. Cosecant x dx. Now we have the integration formulas. Integral of cosecant square x minus cot x. Integral of cosecant x into cot x is minus cosecant x. Apply the formulas. I am writing the formulas first. Integral of cosecant square x. Cosecant square x dx is equal to minus cot x plus c, and integral of cosecant x into cot x is cosecant x into cot x dx is equal to minus cosecant x plus c. Okay, apply these two formulas here. Apply these two formulas. Integral of cosecant square x is minus cot x minus integral of cosecant x into cot x dx, that is a minus cosecant x. Here already we have minus, we have one more minus, that is minus cosecant x plus minus of minus plus, so I am writing plus first. So cosecant x minus cot x plus c is the answer for this problem. Okay.